What if I told you that just $20 could buy you an entire day of unforgettable experiences in one of Asia's most exciting cities? Breakfast, boat rides, temples, shopping, legendary street food, even a rooftop sunset. Sounds impossible? Today, we're putting Bangkok to the ultimate budget test, and by the end, you might be booking your own flight. Bangkok is often called the City of Angels, a city where centuries old temples stand beside futuristic shopping malls, where monks quietly collect alms while the BTS Skytrain races overhead, and where some of the world's best street food costs less than a cup of coffee back home. Today, we have just one mission: spend only 20 US dollars, around 700 Thai baht, and discover how much of Bangkok we can actually experience. No luxury hotels, no expensive restaurants, only authentic local experiences. Let's begin. Walking through Yaowarat, Chinatown. Steam rises from giant metal pots. Fresh herbs are chopped. Eggs crack onto sizzling pans. The smell is irresistible. Bangkok wakes up through food. Our first stop is a tiny family-run breakfast stall that's been serving locals for decades. No flashy signs, no tourist menus, just amazing food. Today's breakfast? Instead of taking taxis, we're riding like locals. The Chao Phraya Express boat. Ticket? 16 baht, less than 50 cents. Drone boat cutting through the river. Temples passing. Traditional homes, luxury hotels, modern skyline. This isn't just transportation, it's sightseeing for a fraction of the cost. Every stop reveals another layer of Bangkok. Wooden homes balancing over water, orange-robed monks, floating markets, tiny riverside cafes. Bangkok feels completely different from the water. Running? The Temple of Dawn, one of Thailand's most iconic landmarks. As sunlight reflects off thousands of tiny porcelain tiles, the temple almost glows. Drone orbit around the central prang. Close-up ancient carvings, flowers, bells, praying visitors. Wat Arun isn't just beautiful. Every piece of ceramic decorating these towers was once carried here by hand. Most tourists never see this side of Bangkok. Leave the crowds behind, and suddenly, everything becomes peaceful. Wooden houses, cats sleeping, children playing, small temples hidden between neighborhoods, ambient wind, birds, water gently moving. No music, just real Bangkok. These canals, known locally as klongs, once made Bangkok the Venice of the East. Long before highways, these waterways connected the city. Life still moves slowly here. Lunch is where Bangkok truly shines. Choose a busy stall. Watch the locals. That's usually where the best food is. Today's choice? Pad Thai, 80 Thai baht. Fresh mango smoothie, 60 Thai baht. If you're visiting on a weekend, this is paradise. More than 15,000 shops. Vintage clothes, local artwork, handmade soaps, spices, leather goods, fresh coconut ice cream, everything imaginable. Bangkok never truly sleeps, and somehow $20 gave us breakfast, river transport, a world-famous temple, hidden canals, street food, shopping, dessert, and a rooftop sunset. Not bad for less than the price of a single meal in many cities. Every destination tells a different story. Bangkok's story isn't about luxury, it's about incredible value, warm smiles, amazing food, rich culture, and unforgettable moments waiting around every corner. If you enjoyed exploring with us today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Love Nature Relax, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next cinematic journey.